guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Compliments of the season to you all. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. So in today's video, I'll be doing the unboxing of this tablet and this one. This is my Christmas gift. I got this one today from someone. This guy can see it. For Blessing on Andrea to Vainatem. That's my name and my son's name. I don't know what is inside, and I got this one. This one is a tablet, so I was so eager to see what is inside that I had to open it. So then I decided to do the unboxing and show you guys what is inside. Let me show you guys. This is a tablet. I'm really not a fan of tablet. Like, I have this Tab 4 I was using sometimes ago, and my son was using Tab 3, but I don't use it anymore because I'm not a fan of tablet. Like, I have a phone, I have laptop, I have stuff, so I'm not really a fan of tablets. So since I got this one from someone today, I cannot tell the person I don't want, so you know now. So I decided to collect it and unbox it. Let me show you guys. You guys can see it's a new one. It's sealed. You see? It's sealed. Yeah, Christmas came early. So let me unbox it for you guys to see. So guys, let me open it for you all to see. Yes, sealed. Yes, also sealed. And voila. This is it, guys. Can you guys see? It's a new one. I think it's 10.4 inches, something like that. I don't know. Let me check. Let me open it. Wow, look at the color. This is really nice. Can you guys see it? Wow. It's a mixture of white and gray, something like that. It's beautiful. Let me check what is inside. I think there's charger and other stuff like that. Yeah, there's charger here. I think this one is fast charger. Yeah. This is fast charger. Manual. And they have this one too, just like phone. You use this one to put your SIM card. This is pin. And it's finished. That's all. Let me put them back. I'll be needing this one. I'll be needing this one to charge the tablet. Wow, it's nice. So there's the color. So let me put this one on. Let me on it for you guys to see. Let's see. I don't know. You guys see the camera over here? It's really beautiful, small and portable. I think it's 10 point, I don't know how many inches. I think it's 10.4. I don't know, something like that. Let me see. I don't think you have checked. Can you guys see that? Tab A7. Let me open this one for you guys to see. You guys can see. For Blessing on Andrea to Vainatem. And you guys see it's sealed. I don't know what's inside though. Let me open it. a greeting card. Frohen Weihnachten und eine gute neues Jahr. It doesn't have battery. What kind of a language is this one? I'm trying to put it on, guys. Let me set it up. I don't understand it. Ah, yeah. These are their language. Deutschland. Let me go to English. I prefer English or English UK. Next. Select your region country. It's Germany. Yeah, Germany. So it has to restart again. Can you guys see that? Starting. You guys should bring your own gift too. I'm expecting gifts from everywhere. So let me just say this one up. I agree. Wi-Fi? No. I'll come back to that one later. So I'm trying to set everything up. Yes. Later. I'll back later. Skip anyway. Skip. Finish. So here we are. See guys, I think the light is doesn't have battery, so I need to charge it. Yeah, here we have it, guys. It is so lovely. Look at my Christmas gift. You people should bring your own. Oh, can you see that? Really nice. Aww. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. So bye bye.